Hello and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'll guide you through the complete process of downloading and installing Windows Server 2022 on VMware Workstation. We'll go through every step together, from downloading the ISO file to completing the full operating system installation with VMware Tools. We'll begin by opening the Microsoft Evaluation Center website. Here, you can download the official ISO image of Windows Server 2022. Scroll down and select the ISO download option. Before downloading, Microsoft requires some basic information. Fill in the form with your name, company name, job role, email, and country. Once completed, click the download button. The ISO file is quite large, over 5 GB, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. To save time in this demonstration, I've already downloaded the ISO in advance. Now, let's open the VMware Workstation application. On the home screen, click Create a new virtual machine. You'll see a guided wizard, select Typical, Recommended, and click Next. Choose the option to install the operating system later, and again click Next. Select Microsoft Windows as the guest operating system and choose Windows Server 2019 or later x64 as the version. Next, give your virtual machine a name, something like Windows Server 2022, and choose a folder where you want the virtual machine files to be stored. Size to at least 60 GB and select Store Virtual Disk as a single file. Then click Finish to create the VM. Next, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Memory and increase the RAM allocation. 4 to 8 GB is recommended for smooth performance. You can also assign more processor cores, 2 or more if available. Once done, click OK. If, like me, you've set VMware Services to Manual Start, be sure to start the required services now from the Windows Services menu. Now power on the virtual machine. You'll see a message saying press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Press any key to begin. The Windows Server installation wizard will start loading files. After that, choose your language, time and currency format, and keyboard layout. Then click Next and hit Install Now. You'll be prompted to select the edition of Windows Server 2022 you want to install. For this demo, I'll select Windows Server 2022 Standard with Desktop Experience, as it includes the GUI. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose Custom Installation, and then select the virtual hard disk we created earlier. Click Next and the installation process will begin. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation completes, the virtual machine will automatically restart. After reboot, you'll be prompted to set the administrator password. Choose a strong and secure password that meets Windows security requirements. click Finish to proceed. After logging in, you may notice the resolution is not optimal, and the mouse might feel laggy. That's because VMware Tools is not yet installed. VMware Tools provides essential drivers for display, mouse, sound, and other features, just like how we install drivers on a physical Dell or HP machine. Go to the VM menu and click Install VMware Tools. This will mount the installer in your virtual CD drive. Open File Explorer inside the VM, run the setup, and follow the installation wizard. Choose the typical option and proceed. Once the installation is complete, restart the virtual machine. After reboot, you'll notice that the screen size adjusts correctly, and performance improves. Let's verify the installed version. Right-click on the Start menu, choose System, and you'll see we have Windows Server 2022 Standard Edition installed successfully. You've successfully installed Windows Server 2022 on VMware Workstation. Thanks for watching.